How to fix login error in OSN Play application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and connect to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging into your account. However, if you are facing any other kinds of login errors, you can simply go to your settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the OSN Play application and tap on OSN Plus over here. Tap on Offload app and simply click on Offload app again. Reinstall the application, and what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.